Hello everyone, welcome to Dreadlover channel, and in today's video I'll be answering the question, does the Samsung Galaxy S24 support wireless charging? Now I've got a wireless charger in here, and let's just place the phone on top of it, and as you can see it is charging and it says fast wireless charging. And if we unlock the phone and go to the settings and then go to battery, you can see that it is saying first wireless charger connected, which confirms that it is charging wirelessly and it does support the fast wireless charging. And if we look at the wattage here, you can see it is only pulling about 9.8 watts, as you can see here. And this charger supports up to 15 watts, and this phone also supports up to 15 watts. But that is only gonna happen when the charge is very low. After that, it is going to pull less and less watts as the charge rises up. So to answer the question, yes, the Samsung Galaxy S24 base model does support wireless charging. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.